Check out these delicious fluffy Japanese pancakes with only 160 calories and under 30 grams of carbs per serve. Start by whisking together the egg yolk and the sugar until they become pale and frothy. Gradually mix in the milk, then sift in the flour and baking powder, whisking until everything is perfectly combined. Next, in a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with cream of tartar until they're frothy and pale. Slowly add in the sugar, whipping until you achieve a glossy, thick meringue that holds a soft peak. Using a spatula, carefully fold together about a third of the whipped egg whites with the yolk mixture until fully incorporated. Repeat this twice more with the remaining egg whites to create one fluffy mixture. Next, heat a large non-stick frying pan over low heat, lightly brush with oil or butter and spoon the batter into your 3-inch Japanese pancake mold. Next, gently flip the mold, then cover and cook for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. Once golden and cooked through, serve your masterpiece on a plate with your favourite toppings. I've used mixed berries, a reduced calorie ice cream and low sugar pancake syrup. Indulge and enjoy. And for more delicious, simple, macro-friendly recipes, head over to my website by clicking the links in the description below. There you'll discover a treasure trove of educational books, recipe guides, and complimentary resources, alongside a selection of other products and services to support your health and fitness journey.